Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair your Lenovo HT05 Earbuds to any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you have to remember to put them inside this charging case and charge at least for the 30 minutes by using this USB-C port at the bottom of the charging case. And next, when you do this, just simply remove left and the right earbud. You can close this case and grab both earbuds. After a few moments, one of this earbud will simply start blinking with the blue and the red. So it means that they are in the pairing mode and we can simply connect them with our iOS device. So we have to open the settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Right now we have to turn it on by tapping on the switcher in the right bottom corner and select HT05 Lenovo Earbuds. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.